Hey guys, welcome to the second lecture of the chapter Money Market and Capital Market in India. In today's lecture, we are going to see the meaning and structure of money market. So let us start. First of all, meaning. See, what is money market? Money market means basically it deals with the short term fund. Whenever we are dealing with the short term fund, it falls under money market. So money market is a market for lending and borrowing of short term funds. Now what are short term funds? Short term funds means basically it is near money funds. Near money means the funds which can be easily converted into money as and when required. If we are in emergency of fund, then it should be easily marketable and we should get it converted into liquidity, that means cash. Such funds are called as near money funds. That means if you carry such funds, they are as good as money with you. If you need the funds, you can immediately sell it off. You may immediately convert it into money. Such are called as near money funds. For example, short-term instruments such as trade bills, government securities, promissory notes, etc. All such instruments are near money only. They are highly liquid, less risky and easily marketable. All these near money funds, they are normally up to a maturity period of 1 year or even less than 1 year. Normally short term funds, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, likewise up to 1 year. So I hope now the meaning of money market is clear. I repeat in short, money market is a market for lending and borrowing of short term funds. That is, it deals with near money instruments. Now let us move on to structure of money market in India. That means what is the structure of how Indian money market is. Let us see that. See, basically the money market in India, it is dichotomous by nature. Dichotomous means both. It comprises of two sectors mainly. It comprises of organized sector as well as unorganized sector. Both of them almost play equal role in Indian money market. See, these money market centers in India, they are located at Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. But Mumbai center is the only active money market center wherein the money flows from all over the country. Wherever people want to deal in, they normally prefer to deal in at Mumbai. So Mumbai is the active money market center, we may say. Now let us see how's the structure of money market. So I have drawn one small diagram on the board. Have a look at it. Please take a full screen on your mobile or laptop, whatever. See, structure of money market, organized sector, unorganized sector. So basically our money market, Indian money market is divided into two, organized, unorganized. Now again it has sub classification. Under organized sector there is RBI, very important, Reserve Bank of India, our country's central bank. Then there are commercial banks which are part of organized sector. Then we have cooperative banks. We also have development financial institutions, that is DFI. Then we have finally Discount and Finance House of India, DFHI, which we call popularly as DFHI, Discount and Finance House of India. So these are the main five things which are fall under organized sector. I repeat, RBI, commercial banks, cooperative banks, development financial institutions and finally DFHI. So these are the components of organized sector in Indian money market. Now let us move on to the unorganized sector. Under unorganized sector, it is basically classified into three. There comes indigenous bankers. Then comes the role of money lenders, which is very important, equally important in India. Then thirdly, unregulated non-bank financial intermediaries. We'll go to that later on in detail. Now let us start with organized sector. In today's lecture, we are going to start with a bit with organized sector. So organized sector, see, under organized sector, the first and foremost very important constituent is RBI, Reserve Bank of India, which is our country's central bank. Now let us study little bit about the working, about the foundation formation of RBI. See, every country in the world has a central bank which is at the apex of the banking system, which is at the top of the banking system, which is main bank of the country. So every country is having their central bank. and that central bank, it is entrusted with the regulating of money market in the country. It is the responsibility of the central bank of any country to regulate its money market. Likewise, in India, we have central bank, that is Reserve Bank of India, which we popularly called as RBI. So RBI is the central bank of our country. See, when this RBI was set up, it was set up on the basis of the recommendations of the Hilton-Young Commission. So it was set up on the recommendations of the Hilton-Young Commission. The RBI Act of 1934 provides the statutory basis of the functions of the bank. That means what all areas fall under the functioning of RBI, which all areas of the money market should be taken care of. So all this statutory information, it is as per the RBI Act 1934. Try to remember these dates if possible. RBI commenced its operations on 1st April 1935 as a private shareholders bank. Many of you may not be knowing this. Some of you may be knowing. So I repeat, RBI commenced its operation on 1st April 1935 as a private shareholders bank, and later on it was nationalized on 1st Jan 1949. Very important date. I repeat, RBI was nationalized on 1st Jan 1949. It is the most important constituent of Indian money market. RBI is the most important constituent of Indian money market. So in today's lecture, we just saw and we organized sector. We just started with the intro of RBI. In the coming lecture, that is next lecture, lecture number 3 of this chapter, we are going to study the definition and functions of RBI, which is very important lecture. I hope it helps. Today we saw the money market meaning. We started with the organized sector, in which we studied about RBI. Hey guys, please support me. Do watch other videos and playlists already uploaded on my channel. And if you understood this, then make sure to like, share and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.